Nike's Panda revival continues with a playful twist for kids in the form of the Dunklo Cave Stone, set to launch in fall 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers. Though the Panda nickname suggests a classic black and white color scheme, this kids' exclusive edition takes a more imaginative route. Suede overlays in vivid green, purple, and pink sit atop taupe leather panels, creating a lively, cosmic-inspired upper. The bright purple midsole and black outsole provide balance, while gradient laces add another layer of fun. Charming panda-face embroidery appears on the heel and tongue, accompanied by a custom hang tag that cements the theme. Even the packaging joins in with panda-themed black and white styling. The shoe is part of Nike Dunklo's 40th anniversary celebrations, expanding the reach of its festive designs beyond adults. With bold colors and thoughtful details, this release brings youthful energy and fresh character to the beloved Panda collection.